In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Poweramp Music Player app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, by updating your Poweramp Music Player app, you'll be able to get the latest version that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related to your Poweramp app. To get started, you need to go ahead and find or search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to this app called Play Store and tap on it. From here, search for Poweramp either using this search bar on top here, or if you can't find the search bar on top here, go ahead and look for a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it and just search for the app by its name, Poweramp with one R, like that. And then go ahead and tap on the search icon here. As you can see, here is our app. Go ahead and tap on it to open further details. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Poweramp Music Player app that might not be supported or might not contain the latest features. So to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update to download and install the latest version of Poweramp Music Player app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here to start using the latest version of Poweramp app. So that's how you can update your Poweramp app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.